So hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today is our day 7. So today we are going to discuss about what is broken link and I mean, how to validate the link is broken. So to validate the broken link, first of all, you have to understand what is broken link basically. So let me just go to this page. So here you can see there are lots of link in the website. So if I click on this, so it navigates me to the next page. Some of the URL. So this link is working as expected. So suppose I click on this link. So it is giving me 404 that is not found. That is the link is removed or it is deleted or like that something happens. So it is giving me 404. So basically what broken link is a hyperlink. It is a hyperlink on a website which is no longer exist in that particular website. So it gives you some status code based on the response that is greater than 400. That is 404. You say 404 that is not found. 401, 403. These are the most commonly used status code for broken links. So yeah, so let us code it through how to know the link is broken or not, how to identify these links. So yeah, so let's get started. Let me just minimize this. Sorry, it is minimized. So let's put it through. So I already made a package on day 7. So let me create a class. Let me create a class. So I will name it as broken link and will include the main method. So let's just go through. So let me just copy this much of code from the previous lecture and I will paste it over here. And so, so now the task is, so if I inspect over here, say inspect, so you can see, so there is an anchor tag. So the basic thing to check if that particular text is a URL or not, there should be an anchor tag over there. So from there you can identify that it is a link. So we have to basically extract this href at this thing, that is the address from this href attribute. So that is our key point over here. So let's just let me just write a XPath which will extract this part. So control F. So I will go from here, class name itself. So I have already written that XPath. So I have used the class name and I have used the tag name li and I have navigated to the A. So it gives me 20 URLs over there. So there are basically 20 links over there, over present in the page. So let me just go to this page and I will simply call the driver dot find elements because there are multiple links. So by dot XPath and I will paste that. Sorry, I've not copied everything, so I will copy it. Let's see. So I'll paste this and so I will store it in a list and I will iterate over that particular thing, particular list. So these are all web elements. Suppose I will say these are links and I will import the list and I will import the web element as well. So yeah, so now what I we have to do is we have to iterate over this list and we have to extract the attribute that is the href from that particular anchor tag. And there are some methods we will implement. So let me just write the loop first. Int I equals to 0 and I less than links dot size, then I plus plus. So first of all, we'll extract that particular thing from the links, the attribute links dot get I dot get attribute, and that attribute, which parameter we have to take, that is the href. So we are taking the href and we are storing inside a string. Suppose these are URL. So we have extracted all the URL and we have stored it inside a string. So all these links are stored inside this URL. So now to verify these links, we have to call interface, that is HTTP URL connections, URL connection, suppose con equals to. So as it is a interface, we have to, so if this is connections, where is connection. So as I will hover over here, so you can see. So this is from, you have to import it from java.net. So I've imported that. So as it is an interface, we have to typecast it. So control V. Then we have to call the new URL method and you have to pass the URL. Then, and I have to import this from java.net and then dot open connections. So this is basically the process here. And we have to surround it with the throws. We have to add the exception handling over here. And this basically what it does is it checks all the URL, whether those are broken or not. So it establishes a connection, as you can see, with the open connection. So let's proceed with the con variable we have made. On dot set, we have to set the HTTP method, set request method. So in this case, it is head, and finally we have to connect that on dot using on dot connect. So we have given the HTTP method and we have established the connection with open connection, and we have connected over here using that variable. And then we have to extract the status code. Get status, sorry, on dot get status code. Where is the method? So there is a method to extract the status code. So, dot get, sorry, get response code, that is not status code, get response code. So here it is. It is to extract the response code. So I will store it in a variable, that is response code. And so first of all, let me print all the codes for your convenience, if it is getting all the correct codes or not. Then we'll put the validation, how to validate it using a simple if else statement. So control V. So let me just run it and see whether it is printing the response codes or not. So it is opening that particular URL. And here you can see all the status codes are printed over here. And so yeah, so it is printing all the status code over here. So simply I will use an if else statement. If a response code is greater than equals to 400, then I would print uh, I would print like links dot get I I dot get text uh, with and I will print it inside my source system. So dot out dot println. So this link and I will attach is like this is broken with HTTP code with response code and I will print the response code over here like this. Let's say with that response code. This I will print. So if it is greater than this, so it is broken. That particular text is broken with the response code. So let me run this and see what is behaving. Yes. So you can see it is printing APM is broken with response code 400 and then here you can see broken links broken with is broken with the response code 404 and that is the two broken link exactly. So if I am just commenting it out, so you will get to know. So let me just do a space or something like this. So it will be easier to read with response code. So let me just rerun it. And we'll also validate it from UI if it is giving the same response code or not. So, yeah. So APM is broken with response code 403 and broken link is broken with response code 404. So let's just go to the UI and validate it. And if I go to, so let me just close it. So APM, if I click on this, so this is saying that this is broken with 403 and broken links is broken with 404. So it is giving 404. So it is validated successfully. So yeah, so our test case is passed and so so that's it from my side and so this is the code basically to check the links those are broken from the UI and yeah we are done with this session. So guys, if you find this useful, please share the video, like and share and subscribe to our channel. And we have taken a 30 days channel challenge, and we'll upload every day a useful concepts, and those are useful for the interviews. And we are also starting with online classes from Monday itself, which will be based on Java for QA, for the QAs, the Java that is required for the QA. So the subscriber who are interested, for them, uh, this is free. And if you want to join us on Monday, you have to go to Telegram and join our channel. Join our channel. That link will be given in the description. You can join from there also. And do subscribe, guys, and do um, what I say. Do also join the classes, which will be starting from Monday. So yeah, thank you, guys. So yeah.